Nagbabalik tayo. Ito naman, escape ulo. Totoy-toy. Ulit tayo. Dito na lang tayo dadaan. Kailangan nga pala matapos to para manalo. Patay ulit tayo. Naglalag ako. Sorry guys, naglalag. Patay na naman. Ito na guys, serious. Hindi pa yung serious guys.
Hello.
Normal pa lang yun, normal. Ito na guys, serious. Serious na talaga guys. Mahirap kasi to guys. Serious na talaga. Dito tayo dadaan. Kung corner tayo. Sorry guys, mahina ako dito. Yun guys, natalo na natin yung ulo. Dito pala guys. May checkpoint na dito. Naging 3 po yung ulo. Di po ako makatapos sa stage 1.
Yan.
Mahirap na po kasi 3 na po yung ulo. Naglalag guys.
How man? Is the gravity of the
Ang hirap guys. Malapit na sana guys.
Ha?
Sobrang hirap.
Oh. pa?
Ayun guys. Tapos na tayo
Ikaw kasi
guys.
naglalaba.
Stage 2 na tayo guys.
Parang ganun pa rin. Buti tinulungan ko ang aking Uy, nakakakit guys.
Sobrang pasukan guys. Ito pala. Patay agad tayo guys. Ito guys, level 2 na to.
Busin mo na.
Ay, patay tayo guys. Patay na naman tayo guys. May nakaharang na ulo. May ulo guys. So yung guys, alam ko na kung paano. Ay. Susundan lang natin to guys. Tapos na guys. Level 3 na tayo.
May angel na ako.
Nasa sand na tayo guys. Patay agad tayo. Ang bilis ng ulo guys.
Uy, may muscle.
May ulo pala dun guys. Hindi ko nakita yun guys. Sobrang galing ng mga ulo guys. Oo nga guys. Patay agad guys. Hero guys tayo guys. Patay na ulit tayo guys. Mahirap na pala level 3. Ayun guys, nakatalon tayo. Buti na lang. May malaki po muscle. Patay na ulit tayo. Dito na tayo sa malaki muscle. Lagpasan natin yung malaki muscle. May malaki po ulit muscle. Ito guys, parang maze. Pero hindi siya maze. Guys, dalawa yung ulo dito. Nasulpot yung isang ulo. Parang impossible guys. Pero tatapusin natin to. Ba yan guys? Help me guys. Ang bilis ng ulo guys. So yun guys, naka-checkpoint na tayo. Dito na tayo sa sobrang raming ulo. Mukhang mahirap to guys. Naikot-ikot yung mga black guys. Kaya hindi ako makatapos.
Yan nga. Yan ang mama mo.
Sobrang hirap na guys neto. Sorry guys na ano ko. Sorry talaga guys. Sorry. Serious na talaga guys. Alam ko na guys kung paano. Sobrang hirap to guys. Natatawa ako guys. Yun guys, tapos na tayo guys.
So easy guys. So easy.
Stage 4 na tayo guys. Tatapusin lahat natin ng stage. Bumili tayo ng ulo guys. Eto guys. Nasa ano tayo? Bato-bato. Maze ata to. May malaking ulo guys. So, kaya sobrang talino nito. Pati may patong-patong na ulo guys. Namatay po guys. May malaking ulo guys. Ay doon pala guys. Sorry talaga guys. So guys, parang level 2. May mga pinto-pinto. Nag-teleport guys. Ewan ko kung bakit. Dito na lang ata tayo sa pangatlong pinto guys.
Ano to guys?
Parang level 2 to guys.
Lalagay ko guys.
Maze na may pinto-pinto.
Jordan, what an amazing performance from you tonight. What was it about this
Sa
final
pangatlo
game
tayo.
that you needed to show the Philippines, that you needed to show the world that yes, this is Gilas Pilipinas?
Pera ko.
Just getting away. Even though we knew we didn't get any early, then
Stage 5 na tayo guys.
it's a little heartbreak, but coming out here, just showing out. And I'm not looking for everybody here supported again. You hear the arena screaming, it's loud in here.
To guys, salamin na to guys. Puro mga babae na guys.
Just came out here and had fun and, really wanted to get away.
And when it comes to your teammates, I mean, everyone
Mahirap na to.
there was
Kasi,
a different aura around everyone today. Everyone came
kasi
out.
ewan.
You could see that they were absolutely determined to finish on a high note.
Naglalag ako guys. Sobrang hina ng signal.
You know, what is it with this team? What did you guys talk about before the game even started?
Abilis!
Group of guys together. We're here. We don't know the next time we're gonna be in the locker room with each other. And, have these moments. So we just showed you get away.
Sorry guys, may bumili.
Thank you so much, Jordan, and congratulations. All right, let us head back to
Mga babae na to guys.
Ako muna magpapahapon. Bago sila. Para nakatawa. So, hirap-hirap.
Naka-checkmate na tayo guys.
Yung ano ko na to. Gusto ko talaga mag-vlog na. Diba? Pinaturan ko lang yun. Kasi, at dito ang magtatapos sa ang vlog natin. Joke ba? Bibili lang tayo ng chicken wings.
over China to make sure that they don't get the FIFA Basketball World Cup without a win. Coach Ronnie, grabe, very important in Jordan.
Nalilito ako guys kung saan dadaan.
Explosion for Jordan Clarkson.
Ito na po talaga magpapakot muna.
Most number of points that he scored in the contest, least number of points that breaking up in the game. Everything that we needed to do happened in the third quarter. And of course, a lot of this on the shoulders of Jordan Clarkson and the catalyst, Renza Batlo.
24 points for Jordan Clarkson in that third quarter in particular alone. Out of the
Sobrang
34,
hirap.
4 to 11.
Rumami yung ulo. Asawa nila ata to guys.
A lot of the points that he scored were because he made the defensive stop. Steve Dock coming from AJ Edu and Dwight Ramos, and then the awesome defense by KJ and the rim protect by Junior Pardo. All those factors enabled them to be able to get into transition and get scoring looks for Jordan Clarkson. And I really thought that that would be zone defense was that good for China during the part that they were trying to get down or get back after they were down by 10 points. Dahil sunod, na pumukoy ng 4 na 20 Clarkson, and that was it for Philippines King versus China.
Credit also to the coaching staff, Coach John Reyes, for identifying that. Wala yung
Ang hirap na guys.
towards the end of the second quarter and onwards and be able to take advantage of that. Pero coach, si Larry mentioned a while ago that you have to give credit to the young core. Grabe yung one nila. You have the likes of Renzo Banco, you have the likes of AJ Edu, guys all the future's bright para sa Gilas Pilipinas.
Dwight Ramos.
And Dwight Ramos as well.
Dito na lang yung video natin. May part 2 pa.